Chromebooks have a tool that will allow you to record something you're doing on the screen. There are two ways you can get to that screencast tool. First, if you go to the launcher menu and scroll down until you see the screencast icon, you can open it from here. There's the blue button to start, so I would want to create a new screencast. And you can see that pops up this menu. Also, if you are a keyboard shortcut kind of person, you can click on Control Alt, and this button is called Show Windows. So if I press Control Alt and the Show Windows button, I can also get to that screencasting menu. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to do it again, Control Alt Show Windows. There's my toolbar. This default button allows you to take a picture or a screenshot of the screen. I want to switch to record my screen, and you can see my little picture appears here. That's an option. I can turn that off if I don't want my face to be in the video. So now I'm going to do a screen recording. I have to select which portion of the screen I want to record. I can do the full screen. That'll record absolutely everything that happens on my monitor. Here I can select a portion if I only wanted to record a portion of the screen. And then the third option is it will basically record this window. So anything that I do in this window, but if I move that window away, it won't record something else. It will keep recording this one window. Finally, there are some settings we can change. You can turn the microphone on or off depending on whether you want your voice to be in the video. I can also turn my camera off, so you can see me now, but I can turn that off if I don't want to be in it. And lastly, you can change where the videos are saved. I'm just going to leave the videos saving in the Downloads folder. So let's create a video. Let's say I want to record the entire screen. I can see that I'm going to do a screencast that will record the screen. And I'm going to click anywhere to record the full screen. And now I am recording. So when we play back this video, you'll be able to hear my voice, and you'll be able to see the screen moving. Down here, you see this red stop button. That's what I click when I'm finished. And now I can click on this, or I can just go over to my launcher menu and go to Files. They both will take you to this folder where I can open downloads, and there's my screen recording. So that's today's date and time. So I know that's the right one. And when I open it, I can play the video. Let's make it a little bigger so you can see that it's really the video. All right, so it's not the most exciting screencast, but you get the idea. Once you find that video in your Downloads folder, you can post that video to Google Drive, to Google Classroom, or wherever your teacher has assigned you to post your video. Good luck.